Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline and in today's video I have my first holiday giveaway, which I'm very excited about. So today's product is the Floops stitch marker and then the Flox stitch holder. So these were really hard to get your hands on back when I ordered these. So I was very excited. I ordered some for myself and then some for a giveaway. So these are the two I'm going to be giving away today. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'm first going to do an unboxing, which was filmed back when I first received these, go through all the details of the products. Then I'll give you a review after I've used these products for a little while. And then in the last part of the video, I'll give you all the giveaway instructions. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also if you want to share this video with your friends so that they can enter the giveaway as well, down below there's a little share button so you can share the full video, and then also in the description box below there's the link where you get to enter in the giveaway. You can share that link as well. The more the merrier. So just a few things. So I'm going to be doing 3 giveaways this holiday season. So today's giveaway, today's a Thursday, I'm giving away these 2 items. This giveaway will be open until Tuesday. Then I'll select a winner. I'll talk more about that at the end of the video though. Next Thursday, I have some beautiful Brooklyn tweed yarn to give away. And then the Thursday after that, I have some gorgeous sock yarn, which is like my favorite sock yarn ever. And I just want to mention briefly too, none of these giveaways are sponsored or anything like that. I purchase everything with my own money just to make sure I give you the most unbiased reviews possible. So not sponsored, not affiliated, nothing like that. Just my honest opinions on different products. So let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, so I ordered 2 of each because I'm going to be doing a giveaway at the end of the video. So first we have the stitch markers, and they're actually really cute. For some reason when I was looking at them online, I thought they were going to be basically like hair elastics that were kind of like crimped on one side, but these are actually like much more delicate than that. Also, all of these are packaged very nicely, like they protected the little knitting needles in cardboard so they didn't bend or anything. These ones are all attached really nicely. Packaging's adorable. They do kind of have the feeling of like a mini hair elastic, but they're like really delicate and cute. So I think I should have 12 total. Yep, 12, 3 of each color. And the prices I paid for each one of these. So each one of these was $2.95. And then the 12 pack, and these ones are size medium. I think there was small, medium, or large. These were $7.50 each. And I did notice that these 12 packs were only available on the website. On the Etsy page, I think there were only 20 packs, so those ones were more expensive. Okay, so those are the stitch markers, and they're an elastic material. And then it does look like some sort of crimped bead down there at the bottom. They're really cute. And now let's look at one of these. So it says tool for knitting and crochet, locking stitch marker, drop stitch fixer, stitch holder, cable needle, and shawl pin. Oh, so it is much more, like it really stays. So it must be like a piece of metal or something inside of there. So it's really cool. And then there's just really delicate little needles. If I were to guess, that's probably around like a size US 2 knitting needle size. So yeah, that is really cute. So I've been using the 2 for a little bit now, and I just wanted to give you some thoughts on the 2 different products. So these stitch markers, I really like them. I think they work really nice. They also work on multiple different needle sizes, so I wouldn't be constrained by the size at all. So for example, this is like a size US 2. Let's just say I were knitting over. Need to place a stitch marker. They work really nicely for that. And also, like, a lot of times I get my stitch markers caught if there's like a big decoration or something, but the nice thing about these is the decoration, the little metal ball, is pretty tiny, so you can kind of switch it from one side of your work to the other side pretty easily. It also works well on larger size knitting needles. So let's say this is a size US 10. And now I really can put it on a size US 10 as well, and there still is room. So I wouldn't let the size constrain you for what size to get, because a lot of times with the metal stitch markers, like they literally will not fit onto this size knitting needle. But these ones, they're stretchy and everything, so these fit perfectly well on the size US 10. So I think that's a really nice added feature. The fact that they're stretchy, I feel like they're almost more usable for various size knitting needles. Highly recommend the stitch markers. Now for the second tool, this one I found it a little bit more tricky to find uses for. So you can basically use it, you can hold stitches with it, you can, I wouldn't recommend using this as a cable needle just because it isn't quite smooth enough. But let's say I needed to hold 3 stitches, just pass them right onto here. Then the center material, I think it might be because I chose this like more glittery material. It kind of like, it gets stuck on there. It's not a smooth join. So it works for small applications. Like let's say I needed to hold these 2 here, just twist it up and they're good to go. I wouldn't use it as a cable needle like I was just saying, just because it isn't smooth enough, but for holding a few stitches, I think it's perfectly fine. Let me show you on this one. Let's see. So I put 6 stitches on here. Now I'm just gonna twist it out. So I'd say that's probably about as many stitches as I could put on there. And then I would just keep on knitting or doing whatever the pattern says. So it is useful for very specific applications, but I wouldn't say this tool is as useful as the stitch markers. It is really nicely made though, so 10 out of 10 for the quality of it. So now it's time for the giveaway instructions to win your very own set. So to do that, there's going to be a link down below in the description box. That's going to take you to the Gleam website. Once you're there, you just have to click on the button that says Visit KnittingHouseSquare, and then you'll go to my YouTube page in a separate window. There you can make sure you're subscribed and check out all my videos. And then once you've done that, head back over to the Gleam website. There you can then enter in your name and your email and press submit. And that is how you enter into the giveaway. So this giveaway again will be open until Tuesday. All the times and everything like that will be down below. I'll notify the winner I select, or that Gleam selects really, it's randomized. And then I'll email that person. That person will have 48 hours to respond to the email. If I don't get a response within that time, I'll move on and select a new winner. So once the winner and everything has been notified and they've responded, I'll pin a little comment down below so that everyone knows the giveaway is over. So I'm also gonna have 2 more giveaways this holiday season. So it's gonna be, today is a Thursday, next Thursday, and then the Thursday after that. So keep an eye out for those 2 as well. I'm pretty excited about those prizes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to share this video with your friends too so that they can enter the giveaway, I'll leave all those links down below. There's also a little share button below this video, so you can also share that way. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video.